Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable menu bar in Google Docs. So friends, it's a menu bar, and if you want to hide and disable, so very easy. Just click on this arrow. Just click on this arrow. So as you can see, menu bar is hidden. And again you want to show menu bar. So click on this arrow. And also you can show the menu bar by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very simple method, you can hide and disable menu bar in Google Docs. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.